Hey guys, I wanted to come in. I am the owner of the 2012 BMW with the full cal system. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on my sound system and also talk about what happened that day that we had the quick match between my full cal system and versus the Morel with the guy with the Tundra. Now, here's what happened. My Kenwood radio was actually at the repair shop, and what happened is that I had a loaner in the car. Now, I cheated a little bit. I bought the Utopia M, which is right there, the Utopia M, the 3.5 mid-range, to add it, to upgrade my system. And my radio's back, and I wanted to ask for a rematch versus Morel, which is the guy with the Tundra, versus my full cal. The radio's back. I have a Kenwood DDX 9907XR NES, and I have my three-way full cal system, which I'm a full cal believer. These set of speakers I bought with my own money. I'm not even sponsored by full cal. Wanted to make it clear. Again, I'm ready for the rematch. Ready to do this again. And I can't wait to post the system to let you guys hear it and to do the rematch. And thank you for the comments and keep on subscribing. We're going to be uploading more videos for you guys. Thank you. All right, perfect. So this guy has no idea this Utopia or N. He is ready for an ass whooping. He's about to change his Morel speakers. He's about to go to Israel. I don't know if he knows how to speak the language, but at least I know how to speak French. I could say, comment ça va? Ça va bien. I went to France. I spoke with the engineers. No problems. And then we got the Utopias in now. I don't know. I'm not sure he's gonna be able to speak when he goes to Israel. But let's see if what the Morel speakers could do against my system. Thank you.
Yeah. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for God, you just want bottom, yeah. Tell me Joe, where's high? I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving, don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. Yes, sir. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day